This is our 2009 Saturn Aura XE with a 2.4 liter engine, and the Serpentine belt broke. The reason I'm doing this YouTube video is because the other YouTube videos out there are not accurate. This is much smaller than some of the other YouTube videos that we've seen. This is just half of it. This is the other half. It's broken half like that way. So very odd. But it caused our power steering, of course, and our alternator to fail. So the process for this is much simpler than I originally was led to believe. So I'm gonna just show you guys this. Just bear with me on this process. But this is the air filter that we had to take out, and it just, a screw right here that gets disconnected, that pulls out, and then lift that up. There's a screw right back here, right there, that comes out, that connects up this part. So this comes out of here. These things just get slid into their holes right there. There's literally that one screw that comes out of here from this connection. And then this connection right here, I just use a screwdriver to lift this up, because that goes right there. So we'll do the process as we put it back together, but I wanted to show you the process to take it apart. The belt, bring the light back over. You can see the new belt there with the writing on it is down there, the light back there. So this belt has 3 pulleys and 1 tensioner. And you don't need to take any engine mounts off to replace the belt. So the belt literally went down there. There you go. You can see that pulley down there, and the pulley here. That's the tensioner right there. Yep. And then there is the larger actual flywheel pulley that's way down there. You can see the big bolt right there. So I had to use my fingers on this side to get it around there. And then the tensioner, this is the tensioner right here. And I know it's hard to see in the video, but I just grabbed this tool. This is a tensioner tool. You don't need to actually use the socket end. I just put it down there and just grabbed the bottom of it, and I pulled up. And you have to have someone else, as you pull it up, that pulls the tensioner up. And as you pull it up, then someone can put it around the alternator pulley right there where the writing is. So I'm literally just pulling up on the tensioner right now. That's how you would take it off, and then when you release it, the tension goes back down. So let's see if I can reenact it a little bit so you can see the tensioner move. So can you hold that video for a second? We can always edit it. There. So I'm lifting up, and you can see the tension on the belt go. And then I had another person here pull the belt over this alternator wheel. So you literally just release the tension by pulling up on it. And then once it's on there, you release it. Obviously, you don't get your fingers pinched. That would be bad. But that's literally it. We did a test start. It went great. And so now we're going to put it back together again. And we haven't driven this car for a while, so the battery is charging right now. We're trying to sell it if anybody's interested. So anyway, that's that. Thought I'd show this. Very simple process. I thought it was going to be an all-day process because someone talked about removing this, this engine mount. And you probably have to do that to replace the tensioner, but my tensioner seems fine, so I'm not going that route. But then another video, I think it was from TRA Mechanics. It's a pretty popular one out there. But that is not for the 2009 Saturn Aura, because that Serpentine belt is super long, going over many things. And this one has the AC, the alternator, and the power steering, and that's it. So not sure why that other video out there was incorrect, but anyway, that's this. We'll videotape as we put it back together so you can see the process of putting things back together, but it's pretty simple. So bear with me. This goes down in here. Hold the light right there for me, and all that. Thank you. Get this in there. That's a little bit of a process. There we go. And be careful, this is the AC line. Put a little tension over there and move it out of the way. For a sec.